Hi, I'm Lechon. How are you? In this video, I want to share Japanese information to you. If you want to know more about Japanese information, please subscribe to my channel. Today's topic is Ohagi. Do you know Ohagi? It's a Japanese sweet food. The color is black and its shape is like an egg. It is very sweet and delicious. So, if you will eat Ohagi, happiness will come around. Why don't you eat Ohagi? I want to eat, so I will make Ohagi today. But unfortunately, I don't know how to cook at all. However, I really want to eat Ohagi. I can do it. I decided to make Ohagi differently. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh, I have to explain about Ohagi. So it's combined by glutinous rice and anko.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful,
Glutinous
beautiful.
rice is more sticky than rice. Do you know anko? It is made from azuki beans. We usually cook anko with sugar and salt. It's a very sweet one, and it's very important for Japanese sweets. Okay, let's cook. So, I bought glutinous rice and azuki. We have to wash them using water. Okay, finished. And then I have to let them soak in water for 1 day, so let's not rush. And let's read. Okay, first, I will boil the azuki in the pot. Anko was being cooked using 5 times the amount of water of the azuki. So azuki's quantity is 200 grams. And then, as time goes by, the water in the pot evaporates. Be careful not to be burned up. If it will evaporate, you have to add water. So it will take about an hour. While boiling the azuki, you need to skim the bubbles from the top of the surface. Wow, it's boiled! I have to boil the azuki until it's tender. Oh, I feel excited! Actually, my Ohagi's information is a recipe from the internet. I don't know whether this will be successful or not. Wow! Azuki becomes soft already. It's so nice. Next, I have to put the sugar. The sugar's quantity is 150 grams. It is important to put the sugar separately into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. I don't know why. I want to tell somebody why is it like that. And then, it is important to add salt. I will put the right amount of salt in the pot. Wow, smells so nice. And I have to let the hot anko cool down. And when the hot anko cools down, anko is finished. Oh, and time out. Sorry, that's all for today. Next video, I will complete the delicious ohagi. Look out for the next video. See you next time. Bye bye. To be continued. Beautiful.